Chapter 7 Fractions. Here recall that when some whole number of things are shared equally among some number of people, fraction tells us how much each share is. We know that fraction is a part of a group or of a region, or we can say fraction is a part of the whole thing. Here the roti divided into two equal parts, each one representing half, 1/2. Same roti divided here into 4 equal parts. 4 people are there, 4 equal parts. Each one is getting 1/4 of that roti. 1/4 of that roti. Here we can see here 1/2 and 1/4. 1/2 means half part. 1/4 means 1/4 of that whole thing. So which one is greater? 1/2 is greater. Look at the denominators. Numerators are same. The one roti divided into 2 parts and here 4 parts. The denominator is here 2 and denominator here 4. So if the denominator is small, that value or that will be greater than the other fraction. So wherever the denominator with the same numerator, then the denominator, look at the denominator, and if the denominator is small or lesser than the other number, then that will be the greater fraction. So fraction we can write as a fraction is a part of a group or of a region. For example, 3/7, which means 3 parts out of 7. This is called numerator. Down number, that is called denominator. Both the numbers separating by a line. This numerator and denominator. The denominator represents total number of parts. Numerator means each one is getting how many share. That is the numerator. Here 1/100 and 1/200. We know that 100 is smaller than 200. So this fraction is bigger than the other one. Here 1 unit is divided into several equal parts. Just 1 unit, 1 roti or 1 cake or 1 unit is divided into several parts. Then we can see the numerators everywhere is 1. And each part is called fractional unit. This, if the numerator is 1, and then we can say that is fractional unit. We also sometimes refer the fractional unit as unit fractions. That means one part or one thing that divided into different equal parts. Figure it out. Page number 152 and 153. First one, fill in the blanks with fractions. 3 guavas together weight 1 kilogram. 3 guavas together. That means weight of 3 guavas is 1 kilogram. Then if they roughly of the same size, each guava will roughly weight dash kilogram. So weight of 1 guava means all 3 guavas together 1 kg. So weight of 1 guava, that is 1 out of 3, 1/3. So we can write here 1/3. 1/3 kg. Next one, a wholesale merchant packed 1 kg of rice in 4 packets. That means weight of 4 packets together is 1 kg. We can see if we are arranging 4 packets like the same way, and 1 packet, weight of 1 packet, that will be 1/4, 1/4 of that. So we can write here that the answer 1/4 kg. Third question, 4 friends ordered 3 glasses of sugarcane juice. 4 friends ordered 3 glasses. So each one is getting quantity of juice consumed by each one. That is 3 altogether 3 glasses. 4 friends. So 3/4. 3/4 of that glass of juice each one is getting. Fourth question. The big fish weighs half kg. Small one weighs 1/4 kg. Together they weigh. Together, which means total weight. 1/2 plus 1/4. Here we can see 1/2, we can write that as 2/4. If we are simplifying, we will get 1/2 with the same, to make the same denominator, that plus 1/4 small fish. So when we are adding same denominator 4 and 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 by 4 kg. We can write the answer here 3 by 4. Fifth question, arrange these fractions in words in order of size from the smallest to the biggest in the empty box below. 1 and a half. 1 and a half, we know that we can write that as 1 and 1 by half. 1 and 1 by 2. 3 quarters, that will come 3 by 4. 1 and a quarter. 1 and quarter, 1 by 4. Half means 1 by 2. Quarter means 1 by 4. 2 and a half. So 2 and half. So increasing order, smallest to biggest. Smallest one out of here, that is quarter. So we can write quarter, that we can write as 1 by 4. Then is coming half, 1 by 2. Then here 3 quarters, 3 by 4. 1 and quarter. So 1 and quarter more. Then 1 and a half. 1 and 1 by 2. Then last one, the biggest one, 2 and a half. 2 full whole things and then half more. 2 and 1 by 2. Fractional units as parts of a whole. Here the picture shows whole chicky. We can see this all together. 1, 2, 3, 4 squares here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares there down. And that dividing into different portions. Here 1/4 of that. Here down it is given 1/6 of that. Here also in different triangle shape 1/6. And on the next page we can see the whole chicky, again that rectangle shape 1/3. Now figure it out. The figures below shows that different fractional units of a whole chicky, and then how much of a whole chicky is each piece. First one we can see here 2 pieces are there. We are drawing that chicky parts again here. This side 4 parts and down 6, all together 6. Together that 6 here. So here we can see total 4 into 6, 24 parts are there. Total 24 parts, and here 2 parts are out of that. So we know that 2 part out of 24. Total 24 parts, and we are considering now 2 portions. We can simplify that. Divide by 2 we will get, or half of 2 by 24, that we will get 1 by 12. So we can write 1 by 12. Now in this triangle, here we can see the given portion divided in triangle shape. If we are dividing that, this is the half portion of that chickpea, here. And then if we are dividing the half portion into the triangle shape like the same way, 1, 2, 3 squares there down, and the entire this side, vertical side. So this part itself 2 triangles. Same way here also it will come. So 4 portions or 4 triangles we are getting, and 1 out of that. So 1 triangle out of 4. If we are dividing the entire suite into 4 equal parts and in shape of triangle, 1 part is 1 by 4. For the next one, here 3 squares and on the side 2 squares. So we have to consider the triangle like this way. Down 3 triangles, side here 2. So this quarter portion we are dividing into 2 triangles. Here 2 triangles, another quarter here. There it will come 2 triangles more. So 4, same way 6, here 8. Total portion that we can divide into 8 equal parts and 1 triangle out of that. So this is representing 1 out of 8 portions. This is just one strip that we can take this way. So 6 vertical columns are there. So we can take that as 1 out 1 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 portion is here. out of 6. Next one here in 1, 2, 2 squares down, side also 2 squares, this shape. So these two. The 1 quarter itself, 2 are there. We can take here these two the same way here. So 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 such type of pieces we will get from that 1. So 1 by 8. Next one here 1, 2, 3, 4. That side full, and here it's coming like this. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 1 and the second one till here. The triangle it will come over here. Like the same way, this portion. That way 6 portions are there. So this representing 1 by 6. Here this one small square. Total 24 are there. So 1 square means 1 out of 24. This also one small triangle. The that means the rectangle, 2 squares that contain such type of two triangles. So everywhere the same. Total 24 triangles are there. So 1 by 24. Next is measuring using fractional units. This one strip paper, if we are dividing or just folding that strip, we will get 2 equal parts. Again, if we are folding each one, it will come 1/4. Till here the half part. So 1 by 4, 2 portions together, it is coming half. Again 1 more 4 here, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. This all together it will become again half. And this both the half together back to the full strip. Here this strip divided into 8 equal portion, and one it will come, that is 1 by 8. 2 till here, that is 2 times of 1 by 8. Next it is coming till here, 3 times of 1 by 8. It's going on like that way. All entire thing, the entire strip together 8 times of 1 by 8, which means 8 by 8. Same as the whole strip. So fractional quantities can be measured using fractional units. Now the next figure, the whole thing, the round representing a roti. So now here we can see how that divided. Half 1 by 2. Here 2 halves together, again we will get the same roti. 3 halves, 4 halves and 5 halves. Figure it out, page number 158. Continue this pattern of 1 by 2 for 2 more steps. We reached till 5 by 2. Now 3 rotis together. If you are dividing that into half, we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 by halves. So 6 times half. Next add 1 more half. That will come 7 times the half. So 2 more steps we added here. Second question. Can you create a similar table for 1 by 4? The previous roti we divided into half. Here we have to make that into quarter, 1 by 4. So we can write, yes, we can create a similar table for 1 by 4 also. Quarter part, 1 times the quarter. Here half means 2 times quarter, which will come almost half. 3/4 means 3 times the quarter. 1 full roti, which means 4 times the quarter. 4 together, it will come back to the same roti. Now 1 full roti and then a small portion more, that means quarter more, 5 times the quarter. Here 6 times quarter, 7 times and 8 times quarter. 8 times quarter, which means it is coming 2 full rotis. Here 8 times the quarter. 8 times the quarter, which means 2 full roti. Third question, make 1 by 3 using a paper strip. Can you use this to also make 1 by 6? So 1 small paper strip divided into 3 equal parts, 1 portion that will come as 1 by 3. same strip we can use one more time. If we are folding, we can make that into 1 by 6. So we can write yes, we can use this 1 by 3 to make 1 by 6. Each one we have to split one more time. So we will get all together 6 equal portions and one portion out of that representing 1 by 6. Fourth question. Draw a picture and write an addition statement as above to show 5 times 1/4 of a roti. 5 times 1/4 of a roti or quarter of a roti. So 5 times quarter, which means 1, 2, 3, 4 and one more quarter. 1 full and quarter. So 5 times 1 by 4 of a roti. Next one will be 9 times quarter of a roti. 9 times means 2 full rotis. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, another 4, 8 and then quarter. So 2 full rotis and quarter roti more. So this is coming 9 times quarter, which we can write as 9 times repeatedly adding 1 by 4, which is equal to 9 by 4. Fifth question, match each fractional unit with the correct picture. 1 by 3, 3 equal parts. So this will come over here. 1 by 5, 5 equal portions. Here 5 equal portions. Then 1 by 8, 8 portions here. 1 by 6 here. Total 6 portions and shaded only 1 portion out of 6. Next is marking fraction lengths on the number line. So number line representing from 0, 1 and 2 till 2. And half of that one. This blue strip representing half of 1, which means 1 by 2. And here 1, if we are taking the same unit 1 by 2, 1 means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 by 2 and that is same as 1. So 1 we can write as 2 by 2 also. Next portion that is coming 3 by 2. Each one 1 by 2, again 1 by 2. So 2 by 2, 3 by 2 and this is same as 4 by 2. When we are dividing we will get that as 2 itself. So this 3 by 2 means 1 and 1 by 2. Till here 1 and 1 plus half more. That is 3 by 2. Now the next figure here 1 by 3 is divided one portion into 3 equal parts. Here 1 by 3, this is coming 2 by 3 and this is 3 by 3. 3 by 3 is same as 1. Next is coming 4 by 3 and here will be 5 by 3. Next is 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is same as 2. Here divided one portion into 5 equal parts. Look at the denominator, that is giving the how many portions are or how many divisions are there. 1 by 5, second topic, all are equal in measurement. So second one is 2 by 5, 3 by 5, next is 4 by 5, next is 5 by 5, that is same as 1. 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5 and this is same as 10 by 5. We know that 10 divided by 5 we will get 2. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So 2 is same as 10 by 5. 1 is same as 5 by 5. Numerator and denominator same, then we can say that the whole thing. Next one, figure it out. Page number 160. First question. On a number line, draw lines of length 1 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 5. So here the denominator 10. But one number, that means 4 by 5. 4 by 5 we can write as, to make the denominator same. Denominator we want the 10, the same denominator. For that multiply by 2. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So multiply the numerator. Whenever you are multiplying any one, that means denominator, then this, with the same number you have to multiply the numerator also. So it will come 8 by 10. which means 4 by 5 is same as 8 by 10. Now we made all the numbers with denominator 10. First number 1 by 10, that is this one, 1 by 10, 3 by 10 and 8 by 10. 8 by 10 is same as 4 by 5. So we can give any letter for that. P is equal to 1 by 10. Here Q is equal to 3 by 10 and R is equal to 4 by 5, which is same as 8 by 10. Second question, write 5 more fractions of your choice and mark them on the number line. Here 1 by 10 already there, so we can mark another one, 2 by 10. But we know that 2 by 10 divided by 2, we will get is equal to 1 by 5 when we are dividing by 2. Then 3 by 10 is there, we can take 4 by 10. So 4 by 10 is equal to divide by 2. Numerator and denominator, we will get 2 by 5. This is same as 2 by 5. Next 5 by 10 we can take. 5 by 10, that is equal to 1 by 2. 5 by 10 divided by 5. Numerator and denominator, we will get 1 by 2. So 5 by 10 is 1 by 2. Then 4 by 8, 8 by 10, 7 by 10 we can take. Then 9 by 10 we can take. So 5 more numbers. They are on the same number line. Third question, how many fractions lie between 0 and 1? We know that there are infinite number of fractions between 0 and 1. Think, discuss with your classmates and write your answer. We can take any number between 0 and 1 means here the number line 0 and here 1. If you are dividing this into 4 equal parts and considering the third portion, that will come 3 by 4. If you are dividing the same portion into 10 equal parts and taking the third one, that will come 3 by 10. If you are dividing that into 100 and first one if you are taking 1 by 100. So denominator you can take any number, how many fractions or how many divisions are there according to that. And numerator also less than the denominator, then always that lie between 0 and 1. Proper fractions are always in between 0 and 1. So we can write there are infinite number of fractions between 0 and 1. Fourth question, what is the length of the blue line and black line shown below? The distance between 0 and 1 is 1 unit long, divided into 2 equal portions. The length of the part is 1 by 2. So this another, that 1 by 2 plus another 1 by 2 is coming, which is same as here 2 by 2, and 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Again that plus 1 by 2. So here the same denominator, 2 plus 1, 3. This portion will be 3 by 2. And again 1 by 2, if you are adding, that will come 3 plus 1, 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. Here fifth one, write the fraction that gives the lengths of the black lines in the respective boxes. Between 0 and 1 divided into 5 equal parts. Look at the denominator 5. So 5 equal portions, 5 equal parts. Now we can continue. 1 we can write as 5 by 5. It's equal to 1. Again 1 by 5 of that. If we are adding, next portion it will come 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5, and this is same as 10 by 5. 10 by 5 means 2. Dividing 10 by 5, we will get the answer quotient as 2. So this number we can write as 2. Mixed fractions. A fraction that are less than 1 unit if the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Fraction which is greater than 1 unit. The numerator is larger than the denominator. Here we can see the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So all these are greater than 1 unit. Here we have to fill that length less than 1 unit and more than 1 unit. Mixed fraction, we can write the definition as a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction, which means it contains a whole number and a proper fraction. It's a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. 1 is the whole number here. Same way in this example, 3 is the whole number, 7 by 8 is the proper fraction. 6 is the whole number, 1 by 5 is the proper fraction. So mixed fraction, which means it's a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Now fractions less than 1 unit, which means always we can see the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Example 3 by 4, 7 by 9, etc. Numerator is smaller than the denominator. At the same time, fractions greater than 1 unit. The numerator will be larger than the denominator. Example 9 by 4. 9 is greater than 4. 10 is greater than 7. So 9 by 4, 10 by 7, etc. Less than 1 unit, and here this is greater than 1 unit if the denominator is or the numerator is larger than the denominator. Figure it out. Page number 162. First question. How many whole units are there in 7 by 2? Here we can see it is more than 1 unit. Numerator is greater than the denominator. So 7 by 2 we can write as 7 times 1 by 2. This we can write as 7 into 1 by 2, which means 7 times 1 by 2. So we are writing 7 times 1 by 2. After that we can group that 1 by 2 in one group. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. We know that is 1. Or if we are adding the fractions 1 plus 1, 2 is the same denominator. It will come 2 by 2. That is 1. This also 1. Or half plus half 1. And this 1 by 2 is coming there. Now we are getting 3 plus 1 by 2. So we can write 3 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 and half. So here the question is, how many whole units are there? Whole unit means this one. So we can write there is only 3 whole units, or this is the fraction, 3 is the whole part. So 3 whole units. So we can write 3 whole units are in 7 by 2. Second question, how many whole units are there in 4 by 3 and 7 by 3? Both numbers, the fractions are greater than 1. For numerator is greater than the denominator. Here also numerator is greater than the denominator. So we can look at that first one, 4 by 3. 4 by 3, which means 4 times of 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 we got to write 4 times. Look at the denominator, that is 3. So when it comes 3 times, when we are adding 3 times 1 by 3, that will come as 1. So take 3 as the denominator and 1 plus 1 plus 1, that means 3. 3 by 3 is 1 and the fraction 1 by 3. So it is coming 1 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 and 1 by 3. Here the whole part means this number. This is the fractional part, this is the whole part. So 1 whole unit are there in 4 by 3. Same way the next number 7 by 3. 7 by 3, which means 7 times 1 by 3. So 7 times we are writing 1 by 3. According to the denominator, here 3, which means 3 fractions. 3 1 by 3s together, it will come 1. So we can group that way. Addition of fractions, when we are doing that way, 3 by 3 plus 3 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 3 by 3 means 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 and 1 by 3. So here the whole part means 2. 2 whole units are there in 7 by 3. Now let's figure it out. Page number 162. Figure out the number of the whole units in each of the following fractions. First one, 8 by 3. So 8 by 3 we can write as a numerator is 8. 8 we can split as 3 plus 3 plus 2. Denominator is same. So if you are taking 3 as the LCM, or the common denominator, we will get back the same number. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 by 3. So first we have to split the numerator like the same and keep the same denominator. So we know that 3 by 3 is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 by 3. That means 2 plus 2 by 3, which is equal to 2 and 2 by 3. Here the question, find out the number of whole units in this number. So the whole number part, that is coming 2. Number of whole units in that question, 8 by 3 is equal to 2. B, next number, 11 by 5. Denominator is 5, so we can split that as 5 by 5 plus 5 by 5. Now 5 plus 5, 10 and 1 more. So that is 1 by 5. Split 11, that is according to the denominator, same number. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 5, which is equal to 2 and 1 by 5. Number of whole units in 11 by 5 is equal to 2. Next number, 9 by 4. Here the denominator 4. So split 9 in terms of 4. So 4 plus 1, that is 9. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Keep the same denominator. So this is 1. Here also 1. 1 plus 1, 2 and 1 by 4. Number of whole units in 9 by 4 is equal to 2. Second question, can all fractions greater than 1 be written in as such mixed number? So we can write, yes, all fractions greater than 1 that can be written as mixed numbers or mixed fraction. Third question, write the following fractions as mixed fractions. First one, 9 by 2. 9 by 2, denominator is 2. So split that 9 in terms of 2. 4 times 2, that means 8. 8 plus 1. So each one it is coming as 1. 2 by 2 as 1. So 4 and 1 by 2. So now the mixed fraction 4 and 1 by 2. 4 is the whole number part and 1 by 2 is the fraction. Next number, 9 by 5. Here denominator is 5. So 1 time 5 only we can take in 9. 5 plus 4, that is 9. So 5 by 5 plus 4 by 5. This is 1 and 4 by 5. So the mixed fraction is 1 and 4 by 5. Next number, 21 by 19. 19 by 19 plus 2. 19 plus 2, 21. So this will come as 1. Plus 2 and 1, 2 by 19, which is equal to 1 and 2 by 19. Next number, D, 47 by 9. 47 by 9. We know that, look at the 9 table. Here it is coming 5 times. 9 5s are 45. Then 45 plus 2, 47. So 5 times we have to write 9 by 9. Then that plus 2. 2 by 9. If we are adding all the numerators, we will get 47 and keep the same number as the denominator. Now 5 and 2 by 9. Next number, F, 9, E also there. 12 by 11, this one. 12 by 11. 12 we can split as 11 plus 1. So 11 by 11 plus 1 by 11, that is 1 plus 1 by 11 is equal to 1 and 1 by 11. Last number, 19 by 6. 6 3s are 18, that plus 1, 19. So 3 times 6 by 6 and 1 by 6. So 3 and 1 by 6. Figure it out on page number 163. Write the following mixed numbers as fractions. Here mixed fraction is given. We have to convert to the fraction form. So 3 and 1 by 4. First we can split that as whole number part and fraction. 3 plus 1 by 4. Then this 3 we can write as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Splitting 3 and this 1 by 4. Now we know that this 1 we can write as, here the denominator is 4. So 4 by 4. 4 by 4, numerator and denominator is same, which means 1. Plus all this 1 we have to write 4 by 4, same as the denominator, that plus 1 by 4. Now we can take 4 as the common denominator. And look at the numerator. 3 times 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Now we converted the given mixed fraction to fraction form, 13 by 4. Next number 7 and 2 by 3. 7 and 2 by 3, first we have to split, that is 7 plus 2 by 3. And 7 we can write as 7 times 1 plus this fraction 2 by 3. Each one we have to convert to the same denominator and numerator. Denominator is 3, so take numerator also 3. 3 by 3 means is equal to 1. That way 7 times plus 2 by 3. And take 3 as the common denominator here. Add all the numerators. Here 7 times 3 is there. So 7 3s are 21 plus 2. 23. 23 by 3. Next number 9 and 4 by 9. First we have to split, that is 9 plus 4 by 9. Which means 9 times 9 by 9, that plus 4 by 9. If you are writing this 9 times, you have to write the same way, 9 by 9 plus 9 by 9 plus, like that way. So 9 times 9 by 9, which means 9 into 9, 81 by 9 plus 4 by 9. So 81 plus 4, 85 by 9. Next number 3 and 1 by 6. Split that, 3 plus 1 by 6, which means 3 times 1, that means 6 by 6 plus 1 by 6. So 3 times 6 means 18 plus 1, 19 by 6. Next number E, 2 and 3 by 11. Split that as 2 plus 3 by 11. 2 times 11 by 11 plus 3 by 11. 2 into 11, 22 plus 3, 22 plus 3, 25 by 11. 3 and 9 by 10, which is equal to 3 plus 9 by 10, which means, look at the denominator, that 10 by 10. 3 times 10 by 10 plus 9 by 10. 3 into 10, 30, 30 plus 9, 39 by 10. Next is equivalent fractions. Here we can see, if we are taking a strip like the same as 1 unit, so we can write that as 1 unit length and fold that into 2 equal parts. Here it is coming half part. Again, if we are folding that, one part it will come 1 by 4, 2 parts together it will come 2 by 4. Now again, if we are folding 4 parts, if we are taking, that will come 4 by 8. Here all we can see the measurement or the shaded part is equal area. So we can write 1 by 2 is same as here 2 by 4, and that is same as 4 by 8. Same strip, if we are, or the same size of 3 strips, if we are doing the same way, the shaded areas are equal or same. So we can write 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 4 by 8. These are called equivalent fractions. Now here check 1 by 3 and 2 by 6 are equivalent or not. 2 by 6, if we are simplifying or dividing by 2, numerator and denominator, we will get 1 by 3. After simplification, if we are getting the same fraction, which means they are equivalent fractions. Now answer the following questions. Are the lengths of 1 by 2 and 3 by 6 are equal? Look at the table here. 1 by 2 means still here and 3 by 6 here down. Both representing the half of that same way. So we can write yes. Then 2 by 3 and 4 by 6 are equivalent fractions. Why? 2 by 3. That means till here. From here till here. 2 by 3 and 4 by 6. 4 by 6, which means here this one. So we can see now 2 by 3 and 4 by 6 are equivalent fractions. 4 by 6, if we are dividing by 2, we will get 2 by 3. So here both we are getting the same fraction 2 by 3. So we can write, are they equivalent fractions? Yes. Then y. Y means both the same length. Both the fractions representing same length. That's the reason. Now, how many pieces of length 1 by 6 will make a length of 1 by 2? 1 by 2 means here. Corresponding to that, till here. How many 1 by 6 are there? 3 times we can see. So, 3 1 by 6 make 1 by 2. So, we can see here 3 into 1 by 6. If we are making dividing, we will get that as 1 by 2. So, the answer is 3. Here, fourth question, how many pieces of length 1 by 6 will make a length of 1 by 3? 1 by 3 is here, corresponding to that till here. So, we can see 2 1 by 6. So, 2 1 by 6 means 2 into 1 by 6. Divide by 2, we will get here 3. We are getting 1 by 3. So, 2 1 by 6 same as 1 by 3. Now figure it out. Page number 165. First question, are 3 by 6, 4 by 8, 5 by 10 equivalent fractions? Why? So first we have tried 3 by 6. There is no common factor. So 3 is the common factor. So divide by 3, we will get 1 by 2. If we are dividing that 3 by 6 with the common factor 3 one time, here 6 in 6 2 times 1 by 2. Next number 4 by 8, that also we can divide by 4. 4 is a common factor for both the numerator and denominator. So we are getting 1 by 2. 5 and 10, we can divide both the numbers by 5, which is equal to 1 by 2. Here all three fractions, when we are simplifying, we are getting the same fraction 1 by 2. If we are getting after simplification, if we are getting the same fraction, then we can say they are equivalent fractions. So 3 by 6, 4 by 8, 5 by 10 are equivalent fractions. Next one, write two equivalent fractions of 2 by 6. To write the more equivalent fractions, just multiply the given fraction by 2, 3, 4, etc. by any number. So if we are multiplying by 2, we will get 4 by 12. Multiplying by 3, we will get 6 by 18. So 4 by 12 and 6 by 18 are another two equivalent fractions of 2 by 6. Next, 4 by 6. Write as many you can. Here, if we are multiplying by 2, we are getting that is 8 by 12. If we are multiplying by 3, 12 by 18. If you are multiplying with 4, 16 by 24. If you are multiplying by 5, 'So we can write how many fractions as we need by multiplying the given fraction with any number, whole number. Here figure it out, page number 166. First question, 3 rotis shared by 4 children. We can see here 3 rotis shared by 4 children. So 3 divided by 4. The fraction of roti each child gets, that is 3 by 4. 3 rotis into 4 children divided to 4 children. Now the division fact. We can write the division fact, that is same thing. 3 divided by 4, which is equal to 3 by 4. Next is addition fact. 4 times 3 by 4, when we are adding, we will get the 3 rotis back. 4 times we have to add. So 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Each one is getting 3 by 4th roti. Now here when we are adding 4 times this 3 by 4, we are getting here 12 by 4. And when we are dividing, it will come 3 roti. So each child is getting 3/4 of that roti. Like that, 4 times when we are adding back the same 3 rotis. Next is multiplication fact. 4 parts of 3 by 4 make 3 wholes. 4 children are there. Each one is getting 3/4. So 4 children, each one is getting 3/4 of the roti. So which is equal to, we can simplify, is equal to 3. Second question, draw a picture to show how much each child gets when 2 rotis shared equally by 4 children. Also write the corresponding division facts, addition facts and multiplication facts, same as that. So the picture is coming in place of 3 roti. In this question, 2 rotis by 4 children. So 2 rotis we are divided into 4 parts and 2 rotis are shared by 4 children. So fraction we can write 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2, which means each one is getting half. 2 rotis and 4 children, so each one will get half. Division fact. The fraction in division form. 2 divided by 4, which is equal to 2 by 4. If we are simplifying, we will get 1 by 2. So each child is getting 1 by 2. Then addition fact. That means this 2 by 4 for each one. 4 children are there. It will come 8 by 4. If you are adding all the numerators, it will come 8. 8 by 4 is equal to 2 again 2 roti. Multiplication fact, which means 4 children are there. Each one is getting 2 by 4. So 4 into 2 by 4. 4 and 4 we can cancel. Is equal to 2. Now third question. Anil was in a group where 2 cakes were divided equally among 5 children. How much cake would Anil get? So 2 cakes and 5 children. So 2 cakes are divided in 5 children, which means it will come 2 by 5. So each child is getting 2 by 5 part of the cake. So that means each one will get 2 cakes divided equally among 5 children. So each one is getting 2 by 5 part of that cake. Here figure it out, page number 168. Find the missing numbers. 5 glasses of juice shared equally among 4 friends is same as dash glasses of juice shared equally among 8 friends. Same equal quantity they have to get. So 4 friends become 8. So 5 glasses also supposed to come, that is double, 10 glasses. 4 becomes 8, which means 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Here also into 2, that means 10. Next one, 4 kg of potatoes divided equally in 3 bags is same as 12 kg of potatoes. So 12 is coming 4 into 3. 4 into 3, 12. So here also 3 into 3, 9. Here the potatoes divided equally in 9 bags. 4 into 3, 12. So 3 into 3, 9. Here 7 rotis divided among 5 children is same as that dash rotis divided among dash children. So we can multiply 7 by 5 with any number. If we are multiplying by 2, with the same number we have to multiply the numerator and denominator. If we are multiplying with 2, it will come 14 by 10. So we can write here 14 rotis divided among 10 children. If you are multiplying with 3, it will come 21 by 15. Any number we can do it. Page number 172. Here the question, find equivalent fractions for the given pairs of fractions such that the fractional units are the same. We have to find the equivalent fractions of the given pair of fractions. First is 7 by 2 and 3 by 5. 7 by 2 and 3 by 5. Look at the denominator, here 2 and here 5. So the common multiple of 2 and 5. Common multiple, that is coming 2 into 5, 10. So to make the denominator 10, we have to multiply the denominator. 7 by 2 we are taking first. 7 by 2. 2 into what is equal to 10? The number is 5. So with the same number you have to multiply the numerator also. 2 into 5, 10. 7 into 5, 35. So the first number we are getting 35 by 10. And the second number, second fraction, 3 by 5. Again we need the 10 as the denominator. So 5 into what? 5 into 2 is equal to 10. With the same number multiply the numerator also. 3 into 2, 6. So 6 by 10. Now we got 35 by 10 and 6 by 10 are the equivalent fractions of the given fraction 7 by 2 and 3 by 5. Next one, 8 by 3 and 5 by 6. Here 8 by 3, denominator is 3, 5 by 6, denominator is 6. We know that 6 is a multiple of 3. So easily we can make the first fraction, this denominator to 6 by multiplying with 2. If you are multiplying 8 by 3 with 2, it will come 16 by 6. Second fraction already 6 is the denominator. So 16 by 6 and 5 by 6 are the equivalent fractions of 8 by 3 and 5 by 6. Next one, 3 by 4 and 3 by 5. Here 4 and 5. So common multiple of 4 and 5, the denominators, and then take the common multiple. That is 20. So make the first fraction 3 by 4 by multiplying with 5, denominator as 20. Up and down, so 15 by 20. Second fraction 3 by 5, 5 into 4 is equal to 20. So 3 into 4, 12. 15 by 20 and 12 by 20 are the equivalent fractions of 3 by 4 and 3 by 5. Next D1, 6 by 7 and 8 by 5. Here 7 and 5 are the denominators. So first common multiple is 35. First fraction 6 by 7. To make 35, multiply with 5. So 30 by 35. Second fraction 8 by 5. To get 35, multiply 5 with 7. So numerator also with the same. 56 by 35. Now we can write 30 by 35 and 56 by 35 are the equivalent fractions of 6 by 7 and 8 by 5. Next one, 9 by 4 and 5 by 2. Here common multiple is 4. First fraction we can keep the same way. Second fraction multiply by 2 and make the denominator 4, 10 by 4. So 9 by 4 and 10 by 4 are the equivalent fractions of the given pair. Next one, 1 by 10 and 2 by 9. Common multiple of 10 and 9, that is 90. First fraction multiply with 9. So 9 by 90. Second fraction 9 into 10. So 20 by 90. So 9 by 90 and 20 by 90 are the equivalent fractions of 1 by 10 and 2 by 9. Next number, 8 by 3 and 11 by 4. 3 and 4 are the denominators. Common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. 3 into 4, 12. 8 into 4, 32. 4 into 3, 12. 11 into 3, 33. So 32 by 12 and 33 by 12 are the equivalent fractions of 8 by 3 and 11 by 4. Now the last one, 13 by 6 and 1 by 9. 13 denominators 6 and 9. So common multiple of 6 and 9, that is 18. So make the denominators as 18. 6 into 3, 18. 39 by 18. 9 into 2, 18. So numerator also 2 by 18. 39 by 18 and 2 by 18 are the equivalent fractions of 13 by 6 and 1 by 9. Here figure it out. Page number 173. First one, express the following fractions in lowest terms, simplified form. First one, 17 by 51. We know that 51 is a multiple of 17. So we can write 51 as 17 into 3. So numerator 17 and 17 we can divide by 17 itself. So which is equal to 1 by 3. Now next number 64 by 144. So both the numbers even numbers. So we can divide by 2, divide by 4, we can divide by 8 or divide by 16. So if you are dividing straight by 16, both the numbers, we will get here 4 by 9. Same thing, we can divide 64 by 144. If you are dividing by 2, it will become 32. Here it will come 72. Again divide that by 2. Here it will come 36 and here numerator 16. That 16 by 36. Both we can divide now by 4 table you know. So when we are dividing 4 by 9. Same answer. So simplification by 2, 4, 8 or by 16 straight away. Anyway we can do that one. Now the next number 126 by 147. First we can divide by 7. 18 by 21. Then divide by 3. 6 by 7. 525 by 112, we can divide by 7, 75 by 16. Figure it out, page number 174. First question, compare the following fractions and justify your answer. First one, 8 by 3 and 5 by 2. Here denominators 3 and 2. Lowest common multiple of 3 and 2, that is 6. So we can write the first fraction 8 by 3 as the denominator 6. By multiplying with 2. So 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 8, 16. And 5 by 2 also the same way. Here denominator is 2, we have to make that as 6. So 2 into 3, 2 into 3 is 6, here also by 3, 15 by 6. Now we can compare 16 by 6 and 15 by 6. When we are comparing, denominators are same. So look at the numerator, which is greater. 16 is greater, which means 16 by 6 is greater than 15 by 6. That is the given fraction corresponding to 16 by 6. That means 8 by 3, first one. So 8 by 3 is greater than second fraction, that is 5 by 2. 8 by 3 is greater than 5 by 2. Next number is 4 by 9 and 3 by 7. Here LCM of 9 and 7, that is 63. So first fraction 4 by 9 into 7. C equal to 9 7 63 in the denominator. Numerator is 7 4s are 28. Next number 3 by 7. 7 we have to multiply with 9 to get 63. So numerator also with 9. 9 3 is 27. Now when we are comparing this 28 by 63 and 27 by 63. Same denominators and we know that the 28 is greater than 27. So we can write 28 by 63 representing the first fraction, that is 4 by 9 is greater than 3 by 7. So the next number C, 7 by 10 and 9 by 14. LCM of or the lowest common multiple of 10 and 14, that is 70. Multiply the first fraction with 7, second fraction with 5 to get 70. Corresponding numerators 49 and 45. When we are comparing these two, 49 same denominators, 49 is greater than 45, which means the first fraction 7 by 10 is greater than 9 by 14. Next one, 12 by 5 and 8 by 5, same denominators. So just compare the numerator. First one is greater than second one. 12 is greater than 8. 9 by 4 and 5 by 2. Here 4 is a multiple of 2. So just if you are multiplying second fraction by 2, we will get 10 by 4. And comparing 9 by 4 and 10 by 4, 10 by 4 is bigger. So we can write 9 by 4 lesser than or smaller than 5 by 2. Second question, write the following fractions in ascending order. 7 by 10, 11 by 15, 2 by 5. So first we have to find the LCM, lowest common multiple of 10, 15, 5, denominators. Divide by 2, here 5, 10 divided by 2, 5. These odd numbers, write the same. Then take the next prime number 3. Then we are dividing by 3, 15 it will come 5, rest of that same. Then divide by 5. So till getting 1. So here 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 5, 30. So LCM is 30. Now we have to convert the given fractions to denominators 30. For that, first one 7 by 10 multiply by 3 to get 30. So with the same number multiply the numerator also, equivalent fractions. 21 by 30, 11 by 15 into 2. So here also 2, 22 by 30. And the next number 2 by 5, that by 6. Is equal to 12 by 30. Now in ascending order, ascending means small to big. Out of that, this the 12 by 30 is the smallest one. So that we have to write first. 12 by 30, then 21 by 30, 22 by 30. Now corresponding to the original fraction. 12 by 30 which means 2 by 5. So in place of that 2 by 5. And next is 21 by 30 which means 7 by 10. And 11 by 15 in ascending order. So in ascending order we can write 2 by 5, 7 by 10, 11 by 15. Now the second fraction 19 by 24, 5 by 6, 7 by 12. There also find the LCM. Here we know that 24, 6, 12. 24 is a multiple of 6 and also a multiple of 12, which means 24 will be the LCM. So we can take 24 as the LCM here and then convert the given fractions to that. 19 by 24, already 24 is the denominator. Next one 5 by 6 by multiplying with 4. That will come 20 by 24. 7 by 12 multiply by 2, 14 by 24. Now look at the denominators are same. Look at the numerator. Here 9, 20, 14. Ascending means small to big. So take 14 first. 14 by 24. Then 19 by 24. 20 by 24. Corresponding to the given fractions. 14 by 24 which means 7 by 12. Then 19 by 24, this 5 by 6. So in ascending order, that is 7 by 12, 9 by 24 and 5 by 6. Third question, write the following fractions in descending order. Descending means big to small. Same way, four fractions are there. First we have to find the LCM. Here LCM is 32. Here also without doing that we can see the LCM 15, 8, 4. All this 32 is a multiple of all these numbers. So 32 is the biggest one and that contains all these tables. 16 into 2, 8 into 4, 4 into 8. Then convert each fraction. 25 by 6, 16 multiplying by 2, 50 by 32. Second one by 4, 28 by 32. 13 by 4 we have to multiply by 8, 104 by 32. 17 by 32 is already 32, so no need to change anything or multiply with anything. Now look at that bigger to small. So the highest one is 104 by 32 and following by that 50 by 32, then 28 by 32, 17 by 32. Corresponding to that, the given fractions we have to write. In place of 100 by 32, the original one is 13 by 4. So 13 by 4, same way. 25 by 16 and 7 by 8, then 17 by 32. So now we can write in descending order. 13 by 4, 25 by 6, 7 by 8, 17 by 32 is in descending order. Next one, B1. 3 by 4, 12 by 5, 7 by 12, 5 by 4 are the fractions. Here we have to find the LCM. LCM is 60. So multiply the first fraction with 15, second one with 12, third one with 5, and last one with 15. So corresponding fractions, equivalent fractions we are getting. Bigger one first we have to write, big to small. So and corresponding to that 144 by 60, here we are getting for 12 by 5. 75 by 60 is 5 by 4. Then 45 by 60, that is 3 by 4. 30 by 7 by 12. So in descending order, 12 by 5, 5 by 4, 3 by 4, 7 by 12. Addition and subtraction of fractions. Meena's father made some chicky. Meena ate half of it and her younger brother ate 1/4 of it. Here we can see that 4 equal parts. Meena ate half, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. That means half part. And brother ate 1/4 of that. This one 1/4. And total we can see half she ate and brother 1/4. So it will come, that is 3 by 4. 3 into 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. Now how much of the total chicky is remaining? So total that 4 pieces are there, 4 by 4, that means the whole chicky. Now 3 by 4 they already finished. Now remaining is 1 by 4. Addition of fractions with the same fractional unit or denominator. Here we can see the same denominator, two numbers, 4 by 7 plus 6 by 7. So keep the same denominator and then add the numerator. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 by 7, here more than 1. More than 1 unit. The numerator is greater than the denominator. So this we can write as 7 by 7 plus 3 by 7. 7 by 7 means 1. 1 plus 3 by 7, which is equal to 1 and 3 by 7. Addition of fractions with the different denominators. Here 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. Denominators are different, 4 and 3. So LCM or the lowest common multiple of 4 and 3, that is 12. So convert that 1 by 4 to 12 as the denominator by multiplying with 3. So this will come 3 by 12. 1 by 3 we have to multiply with 4, that we will get 4 by 12. Now denominators are same, we can add the numerator, 3 plus 4, 7. Figure it out, page number 179. First one, 2 by 7 plus 5 by 7 plus 6 by 7. All the denominators with the same number 7. So we can add the numerator, 2 plus 5 plus 6. That is coming 13 by 7. Here it's more than 1 unit. Numerator is greater than denominator. So we can split 13 as 7 plus 6. 7 by 7 plus 6 by 7. 7 by 7 is equal to 1 plus 6 by 7. So the number it will come 1 whole unit and 6 by 7. 1 and 6 by 7. Next number 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3. Denominators are different. So we had to find the LCM. LCM of 4 and 3, that is 12. So convert the first fraction or find the equivalent fraction of that with the denominator 12. So we have to multiply with 3 the numerator and denominator of the first fraction and multiply by 4 the numerator and denominator of the second fraction to make the denominator same. Now 9 by 3 into 3, 9. 9 by 12 plus 4 by 12. 9 plus 4, that is 13 by 12, again more than 1 unit. So we can split the numerator as 12 plus 1 and keep the same denominator. 12 by 12 is 1, so 1 and 1 by 12. C1, 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6. 3 and 6. 6 is a multiple of 3. So LCM is the bigger multiple, that means 6. First fraction we have to multiply by 2. We will get that as 4 by 6 plus 5 by 6. Same denominator. So we can add the numerators. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 by 6, that is greater than 1 unit. Numerator is greater than denominator. So we can split the numerator 9 as with this number 6 plus 3. So 6 by 6 is 1. 3 by 6 we can split, divide by 3, we will get 1 by 2. So we can write 1 and 1 by 2. Next one, D. 2 by 3 plus 2 by 7. Here the LCM of 3 and 7, that is 21. And multiply the first fraction with 7, second fraction with 3. 14 by 21 plus 6 by 21. 14 plus 6, 20, divided by 21. Next E. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Here 4, 3, 5. LCM of 4, 3, 5, that is 60. And convert each fraction to 60 as the denominator. So 3 by 4 multiply with 15, 1 by 3 with 20, 1 by 5 with 12. We are getting here same with the same denominator and add the numerators. 77 by 60, that is greater than 1 unit. So it will come 60 by 60 plus 17. 60 plus 17. This is 1. So 1 and 17 by 60. F. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Multiply the first fraction with 5, second fraction with 3. 10 by 15 plus 12 by 15. Keep the same denominator 15. Numerators 10 plus 12, that is 22. It's greater than 1 unit. So we can split the numerator as 15 plus 7. 15 by 15, that is 1, and 7 by 15. 1 and 7 by 15. 1G. 4 by 5 plus 2 by 3. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Multiply the first fraction with 3. Now we are getting 12 by 15. Second fraction with 5, it will come 10 by 15. Keep the same denominator 15. 12 plus 10, that is 22. Now this is greater than 1 unit. So we can split 22 as 15 plus 7. So 15 by 15, that is 1, plus 7 by 15, which is equal to 1 and 7 by 15. Next one, 3 by 5 plus 5 by 8. Denominators are 5 and 8. And LCM of 5 and 8, 40. Multiply the first fraction with 8, second with 5. You will get 24 by 40 plus 25 by 40. 24 plus 25, 49 by 40. This is greater than 1 unit. So we can split the numerator 40 plus 9. 1 plus 9 by 40 is equal to 1 and 9 by 40. Next I1, 9 by 2 plus 5 by 4. So 4 is a multiple of 2. We can take 4 as the common denominator or LCM. So multiply the first one with the first fraction with 2. We will get that as 18 by 4 plus 5 by 4. Same denominator, 18 plus 5, 23. 23 we can split as 20 plus 3 by 4. 20 is a multiple of 4. So 20 by 4 we can divide by 4 5 times. 5 4s are 20. So this will come as, this fraction we can write as 5 by 1, which is equal to 5. Plus 3 by 4, that is equal to 5 and 3 by 4. Next J1, 8 by 3 plus 2 by 7. LCM is of 3 and 7, that is 21. Now multiply the first fraction with 7 and second fraction with 3. We will get 56 and 6 is equal to 62 by 21. 62 we can write as 21 by 21 plus 21. That means numerator we can write as 21 plus 21 plus 20. So this it will come 1 plus 1, then 20 by 21. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 and 20 by 21. So you will get the answer 2 and 20 by 21. Next K1, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Denominators 4, 3, 5. LCM of 4, 3, 5, that is 60. So make the equivalent fraction corresponding to the denominator 60. First fraction we have to multiply by 15. Second fraction with 20 to get 60. 5 into 12. So here also with 12. So everywhere we are getting denominator 60. Numerator it will come 45. Here 20 and 12. Adding all this 77 by 60. That we can split as 77 as 60 plus 70. So 60 by 60 is 1. 1 and 17 by 60 is the answer. Next is L. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5 plus 3 by 7. Denominators 3, 5, 7. LCM of 3, 5, 7, that is 105. So multiply the first fraction with 35. Second fraction with 21. Third fraction with 15. Here we can see 3 is the denominator. So remove this 3 and get the rest of that. So 5 into 7, 35. Multiply the first fraction with 35. Here 5 is the denominator. So remove that 5. Remaining numbers 3 and 7. 3 into 7, 21. Here 7 is the denominator and multiply with the rest of that. 3 into 5, 50. So we will get everywhere 105 as the denominator and numerator 70 plus 84 plus 45, that is 199. Which one we can split as 105 plus 94. So 1 and 94 by 105. Last one, 9 by 2 plus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 6. LCM of 2, 4, 6, that is 12. So convert to that 12 was the denominator by multiplying with 6, here with 3 and 2. 12 is the common denominator. Then numerators 54 plus 15 plus 14, that is 83 by 12. Check the 12 multiples. So 72, in 72 6 times 12. So 72 by 12 plus 11. 83 we can write as 6 into 12 plus 11. So when we are dividing with the 12, we will get here 6. So 6 and 11 by 12. Second question, it's a word problem. Rahim mixes 2 by 3 2/3 liters of yellow paint with 3/4 liters of blue paint to make green paint. What is the volume of green paint he has made? So step we can write as quantity of yellow paint, that is 2 by 3 liter. Quantity of blue paint is 3 by 4 liters. And volume of the green paint he made, that sum of that, adding these two. 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 liter. So here the denominators are different. So we had to find the LCM of 3 and 4, that is 12. First fraction 2 by 3 multiply with 4 to get 12 was the denominator. Second fraction 3 by 4 multiply with 3. Now the numerators 8 plus 9 divided by 12. That is 17 by 12. 17 we can split as 12 plus 5. So 1 and 5 by 12. So we can write in sentence, that is volume of the green paint is 1 and 5 by 12 liters. Third question, Geeta bought 2 by 5 meter of lace and Shamim bought 3/4 meter of the same lace to put complete border on a tablecloth whose perimeter is 1 meter long. Find the total length of the lace they both have bought. Will the lace be sufficient to cover the whole border? So we can write length of lace Geeta bought, that is 2 by 5 meter. Length of lace Shamim bought, that is 3 by 4 meter. Then total length what both of them together bought, that is 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. We had to add, find the LCM of 5 and 4, that is 20. Multiply the first fraction with 4, second fraction with 5. We will get 20 as the common denominator. Numerator as 8 plus 15, 23. So greater than 1 unit. So divide that, split that as 20 plus 3. So 20 by 20, that is 1 plus 3 by 20. So 1 and 3 by 20 meter. That means more than 1 meter. Here perimeter of the tablecloth is given as 1 meter long. So we can write perimeter of the tablecloth is 1 meter. So more than 1 meter. 1 and 3 by 20 meter of lace is enough, sufficient to cover the whole border. Subtraction of fractions with the same denominator. Here 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8. So we can write the same denominator 8 and minus the numerator 5 minus 3, 2. Both the numbers are even, so we can divide by 2. It will come 1 by 4. When we are simplifying, we are getting 1 by 4. Next one, 7 by 9 minus 5 by 9. There also denominator is same 9. 7 minus 5, that is 2. So the answer is 2 by 9. Here 27 is the denominator. 10 minus 1, that is 9. But we can divide the numerator. We can simplify by dividing with 9. Here 1 time, here 3 times. 9 3s are 27. So when we are dividing the numerator and denominator with 9, we will get the simplified form, that is 1 by 3. Figure it out, page number 182. Carry out the following subtractions using Brahmagupta's method. First one, 8 by 15 minus 3 by 15. Here we can see the same denominator. So write the same denominator and minus, subtract the numerators. 8 minus 3, 5 by 15. This 5 by 15 we can divide by 5. Here 1 times, here 3 times. So we can write that as 1 by 3. Second one, 2 by 5 minus 4 by 15. 2 by 5 and here 4 by 15. 15 is the denominator. So first fraction also we have to make with the same denominator. For that, multiply the first fraction with 3. 5 into 3, 15. So 5 into 3, 15. 2 into 3, 6. 6 by 15 minus 4 by 15. Now the same denominator and 6 minus 4, 2. 2 by 15 is the answer. Next one, 5 by 6 minus 4 by 9. Here 6 and 9. We have to find different denominators, so we have to find the LCM. LCM of 6 and 9, that is 18. Then make the given fractions 18 as the denominator. For that, first fraction we have to multiply by 3. Second fraction we have to multiply by 2. When we are multiplying the first fraction, 6 into 3, 18 denominator and 15 is the numerator. That minus 8 by 18. Then we can write 18 as the common denominator. 15 minus 8, that is 7 by 18. Now next one, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. 3 and 2, LCM is 6. So multiply the first fraction with 2, second fraction with 3. This will come as 4 by 6 minus 3 by 6. 4 minus 3, that is 1. So 1 by 6 is the answer. Second question, subtract as indicated. Here 13 by 4 from 10 by 3. We have to subtract the first fraction from the second one. So that we can write as second fraction as first. 10 by 3 minus 13 by 4. From the second. So we have to write second one first, that minus 13 by 4 here. 3 and 4, LCM is 12. So multiply the first fraction with 4, second fraction with 3. 4 into 10, 40, 13 into 3, 39. 40 minus 39, 1. So 1 by 12 is the answer. Second one, 18 by 5 from 23 by 3. So we have to write 23 by 3 first. That minus 18 by 5. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Multiply the first fraction with 5, second one with 3. So both of the fractions we are getting 15 as the denominator. Numerator it will come 115 and here 54. When we are subtracting, it is coming 61 by 15. So we know that 4 times 15 is 60. So we can write that 61 as 60 plus 1. So 15 here 4 times. it will come 4 plus 1 by 5, which is equal to 4 and 1 by 15. 4 plus 1 by 15, that is equal to 4 and 1 by 15. See, 29 by 7 we have to subtract from 45 by 7. So first we have to write 45 by 7, that minus 29 by 7. Here the denominators are same. So just to subtract the numerator, 45 minus 29 and keep by the same denominator 7. That means 16 by 7. 16 we can write in terms of multiples of 7. That means 14 plus 2, 16. 14 divided by 7. If we are dividing by 7, we know that 2 times in 14. 2 sevens, 14. So 2 plus 2 by 7. That is 2 and 2 by 7. Third question, word problem. Jaya's school is 7 by 10 kilometers from her home. She takes an auto for half kilometer from her home daily and then walks the remaining distance to reach her school. How much does she walk daily to reach the school? So we can write the total distance from her school, home to school, or distance between her school and home, that is 7 by 10 kilometer. Distance covered by an auto, that is half kilometer. She is traveling by an auto, that is half kilometer. Then distance she covered by walking. Total distance minus the distance she traveled by an auto. So 7 by 10 minus 1 by 2. Here 10 and 2 are the denominators. We know that easily if we are multiplying the second fraction with a 5, we can make the denominator same as the first one. So multiply the second fraction with a 5. First fraction is 7 by 10. Second it will come 5 by 10. So same denominator 10 and 7 minus 5, that is 2. 2 by 10 kilometer, which means we are dividing by 2. 1 time here, here 5 times. So 1 by 5 kilometer. You can write in sentence, Jaya walks 1 by 5 kilometer. 1 by 5 kilometer, which means we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 1 by 5, 1000 by 5, we will get 200. So 200 meters, or in kilometer, that is 1 by 5 kilometer. That much she walks to reach her school. Next question. Devika takes 10 by 3 minutes to take a complete round of the park, and her friend Namit takes 13 by 4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time and by how much? For that, to compare both the fractions, first we have to make in the same with the same denominator. So we can write in sentence, time taken by Devika to cover one round, that is 10 by 3 minutes. Time taken by Namit to cover one round, 13 by 4 minutes. So to compare these two fractions, we have to make the equivalent fractions with the same denominator. Here 3 and 4. So LCM of 3 and 4, that is 12. First fraction 10 by 3, multiply with 4 to get 12 was the denominator. And 13 by 4, second fraction, multiply with 3 to get same denominator. Now here 40 by 12 and 39 by 12. When you are comparing, we can see the first fraction is greater, which means the first one, Jivika, takes more time. This is greater. Here the question, who took less time? So we can write Namit. Namit takes less time. And by how much? So we have to find the difference between the fractions. 40 by 12 minus 39 by 12, that is 1 by 12. So Namit takes 1 by 12 minute less than Jivika. Namit takes less time, and how much? 1 by 12 minute less than Jivika.